Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. So in our last video we have discussed about spot coordinate system in Revit. Now in this particular video we'll discuss about spot slope, how we can annotate that slope, as well how we can modify a slope system, something like that in this particular video. So let's get started. So first of all, let me create some sloped pipe. For that one I'll press pi command for piping, and let me go with plastic pipes because normally those are sanitary pipes, but that's not that much important in this case. But for this best practice, I'm just going with that way. So right here we can see slope column. So I'll go with the slope. Okay, 1 by 100 is not right there. 1 by 100 means 1%. Okay, so let's create slope. So how we can create the slope? First of all, let me go in systems tab, click on this plumbing and piping section, and right here we can we'll have slopes option right here. Click on new slope, and I'll go with 1:100 means 1% slope. Okay, so now let me create a pipe. Then first of all, let me press skip command, pi. My slope is 1 by 100. I just want to go with slope up means at this point as I clicked, my slope will be up. You can see this offset thing is changing, and slope is 1:100 upside. Why it is showing? Because I have checked this one, show slope tooltip. If I'll uncheck this one, it will not be visible. Okay, so depends on your requirement. If you want to see that one, fine. No, fine. Okay, my pipe is not visible. There are two reasons of that one. First of all, go in visibility graphics, check with the filters. Okay, filters are applied, so I'll uncheck all of them. Click on OK, fine, it is visible now. So for the slope, what I'll do is that I'll go in another tab right here, click on slope, or you can create a shortcut key for that one. How we can create the shortcut keys? Press K as command. A dialog box will be opened. You can type right there spot slope, slope, spot slope. Yeah, this is the right here. Or let me cross check if there is another thing. Yeah, it's right there. It's slope type. This is slope. Okay, so I want sport slope. So what I'll do, I'll select that one. I'll type right here. I just want to go with SL command. It'll be good. Okay, SL is already defined for which ones? Okay, split. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll go with S. Maybe S is fine. Okay, S is fine. So I'll click on that one. Okay, so what I'll do is that S spacebar, my slope command is active. Now you can see I can tag this one, but it is showing 10 by 1000. I just mentioned 1:100, right? What is not showing that one? So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll click this one, edit type right here, scroll down a little bit, unit format, and I'll change that one right here. So what I'll do is that I'll go 1 ratio. Okay, right here unit, I'll go with 1 by, because 1 by is default from right here, so it will not show me 1 by 100, it just show me 100. So for 1 by, I just change my unit from right here. Okay, click on OK. Okay, it'll show me 1 by 100, same thing that I have given right here. Okay, so that's how the slope will work. If I'll click on this one, you can see my slope right here as well. Perfect. And this curve means it is going upward direction like this. This is the lowest point, lower point, and this is the upper side. Okay, and the direction of this arrow defines the fluid direction. Okay, at which direction fluid will flow. So my slope is like that, so my drain will be like that. Okay, same thing I can change if I want to see this one in percentage. How I can do that? How I can do for that one? Click the tag, edit type, scroll down, change the units to percentage, and right here let me go with till 2 decimal, 1 decimal, depends on your requirement. 1 decimal, that will fine. Percent, okay, and okay. If I had gone with 1%, not this one, sorry, what we can say, the decimal, because if I'll go with 0.5 slope, 0.5 slope means 1:200, right? So let me check if we are having 1:200 right here. No, we are not having. So let's create and then we'll see. Annotate, sorry, not in annotate, systems, plumbing fixtures, slope, 1:200 means 0.5. Okay, okay. Now press PI command, go right here, 1:200, create the pipe. Okay, so now if I'll tag it, annotate, slope, it'll show me 0.5. That is why we need one decimal right here. If I'll change 0 decimal, what will show me? Let me show you. If I change it to 0 decimal, it'll show me 1% slope. That's wrong, correct? That is why we need a proper arrangement for that one. And how I have calculated that 1:200 means 0.5% slope. It is very simple. Just divide everything by 100. Like if you are going with 1:200 means 100 by 200. Okay, if you are going with the 1:50 slope, you want to check percentage, then multiply that one by 100. Sorry, at the beginning I just mentioned divide. Okay, no worries. It means a very simple language. 100 should be at the upper side. Okay, 100 divided by 200, 0.5% slope. 100 divided by 50, 2% slope. 100 divided by 100, 1% slope. Okay, that's a very simple thing. So that's how it will work, and that's how the slope also works. Okay, I hope that's clear to you guys. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.